Review Part 2. I hope you rested well. I am Mrs. Victoria. We'll begin immediately. Square root. What are square roots? Square root is a number that multiplies by itself once to give a product square. Square root is a number that multiplies itself once to give a product square. The symbol on the screen denotes square root. Sometimes the symbol, you can see it this way, it's still square root. Anytime you say it that way, it is still square root. Let's look at a typical exercise on square root. You can be asked, find the square root of 16. You use factor method. You say 2 goes into 16. We have the 8. 2 goes into 8, 4. 2 goes into 4, 2. And 2 goes into itself, 1. So this isn't the final answer. What you do is you pair each of the groups and have a representative. Do the same thing here and have a representative. It therefore means the square root of 16 is 2 times 2, which is equals to what? 4. Very simple. Any question? I believe there is no question as it's very, very simple. Maybe we should take another example. Let's quickly take another example. Let's find the square root of 36. We write 36 and we still use the factor method. 2 goes into 36. Let's try to use one digit at a time. Can 2 go into 3? Yes, just once, and there will be a remainder 1. So you write the 1 and remainder 1. The remainder 1 stands in front of 6 and it changes 6 to 16. So 2 goes into 16 is what? 8. So it therefore means 2 goes into 36 is 18 times. We use 2 again since 18 is an even number. 2 goes into 18, 9. Can 2 go into 9? No, because 9 is an odd number. So you use prime factor 3. 3 goes into 9 3 times. And you still use 3 again. Goes into itself once. Use the same pairing method. You pair the first set and have a representative. Pair the second one and have a representative. So it therefore means the square root of 36 is 2 times 3, which gives us what? 6. Thus, 6 raised to power 2 or 6 times 6 gives us 36. Isn't that simple? Very simple, very interesting, and very exciting. Wow, I believe you understand. Do we have any question? Okay, I can see you nodding your head. It means there is no question. So let's go back to as lesson. Measurement of time. Measurement of time. Questions like how many minutes are in 3 hours? How many minutes are in 120 seconds? Can be asked how many hours are in 2 days. All that you need or that is required for you to answer those simple questions is just memorizing the measurement of time table. Please ensure you memorize it up to where it says 366 days makes 1 leap year. I hope we'll do that. Right, great. So let's take a typical exercise on time. A question like, how many minutes are there in 3 hours can be asked. What you simply do is 60 minutes is equals 1 hour. Can you remember that? Okay, so the question now is, how many minutes make 2? Was it 2? Okay, 3 hours. So what you simply do, you cross multiply. Therefore, 60 times 3 is equals to what? Can somebody tell me the answer? Of course, 180. What? Oranges? Money? Balls? Boys? No! 180 minutes. Because that's what you were asked for. Wow. Wow. So it means whenever you ask a question, always remember the constant you're looking for. Now what we're looking for here is what? Minutes. And so I couldn't have left my answer as just 180. What I rather did was 180 minutes. Because if you leave your answer as just 180, it could connote 180 naira, 180 colors, 180 balls, and so on. So you must always indicate what you were asked for. So it means 180 minutes are there in 3 hours. Isn't that beautiful? Wow, so simple. Awesome. Now, guess what? We've come to the end of our revision class. In our next lesson, we'll be beginning our third term's work. All you need to do is ensure you follow the instructions. Spending time to go through exercises, spending time to do your homework, spending time to snap your answers and put it on the screen for me to mark and evaluate for you. Every instruction, the key success for this third term is adhering to instruction, and I know you will do that very well. But the very first instruction is stay safe. Stay safe. See you in our next class. Take care of yourself.